picture number 4, Bulabog Putian National Park. Have you been there? Not yet, but let's see what's your promotion for that tourist attraction.
The photo shows or is a manifestation of Iloilo's potential rich natural resources. We here in Iloilo were not just blessed with a fast-growing economy, but also with beautiful natural resources. And I can promote this park by posting promotional videos on social media and his photos, so people across the globe will be enticed to visit our humble yet growing province, Iloilo. Thank you.